Yeah, I'm reaching you now still. But me call you back, and I'll do something you know. Alright? Aye. You hear me? I want to go to my yard. It shouldn't be so hard. But how I see them go on is like them want me stuck over abroad. I want to go home, and I know say I know me alone. Right now, I get tired of the cold. I come here from young and now I get old and I never plan to spend the rest of my life near the North Pole. But when I hear the death toll and see how the man them a roll, I have to put my plan them on hold. Imagine, you come here come work hard for things for your comfort. Rain or snow, you have to go out there in that. And when you want to go home with nice and hot, some people want to come take what you got and reward you with gunshot. The government have to go do something about that. Come here, some people say them don't change for them plan. Them say them not going to them homeland. All because of this whole gun boy and gunman. I want to go to my yard. It shouldn't be so hard. But how I see them go on is like them want me stuck over abroad. I want to go home. And I know say I know me alone. More time a day and I reminisce on some place and some things where I miss. I hate the cold. I get tired of this. But going home is like a risk. The government have to do something about this. Oh, I see people are dying and the crime rate so high. More time I see some things that bring tears to my eye. Yo, more time I see some things that make me cry. I'm going to compose and wipe my nose. I'm going to take a deep breath and sigh. Yo, I'm not lie. They make people afraid. And if anything happen to you, you feel like no ambulance will come rush to you with no first aid. And what makes it worse? You don't even know who to trust. I want to go to my yard. It shouldn't be so hard. But how I see them go on is like them want me stuck over abroad. I say I want to go home. And I know say I know me alone. I have to wear this one bag of clothes. Water run out of my nose. My hand them a freeze on my toes. I want to go home. But if them would have just leave you alone when you come home. Instead, them want to come kill you for things where you own. Simple things like all a phone. It's like them want to make out a stone. And what make it worse? You don't even know who to trust. Because I hear some people say them can't even trust them sister or them brother. And now at the time when black people feel pulled together. But the way I see them treat one another, it's like them want me stuck in this weather. I want to go to my yard. It shouldn't be so hard. But how I see them go on is like them want me stuck over abroad. I say I want to go home. And I know say I know me alone. I don't want just there talk to people on phone. I want to go home.